Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to reset your Etsy password. It's gonna be very simple and easy. So once you try to go and sign in and you forgot, for example, your password, well, what you will need to do is to click on forgot your password right here. Then the second thing is to go to this I'm not a robot and write down here your email. So let's go ahead and try, for example, this email. I'm gonna try this one as an example, and this is the thing. So it's gonna be sending you the reset your password. So check your email for next steps. To reset your password, use the link in the email we sent to this one, and it will expire in 60 minutes. If you can't find it, make sure you entered your email correctly. If your email isn't connected to an existing Etsy account, you won't get the password reset link. For more information, check out the Help Center article. So now all you need to do is to go to the Gmail, as I will open it in my other screen. And as you can see here, I have this link right here. So forgot your password, reset it now. And all this is left for me to do is to click reset it now. And here I should write down my new password. So here you can choose your own, or instead of it, use a Google one. So I'm gonna just use my own just like that, as you will be seeing here. And I'm gonna write it down in the bottom right over here as well, and then I'm gonna click on update my password, and just like that I can click on save, and I have now resetted my password in case I have forgotten it before, and I have changed it correctly. So I can sign in now with my new password, as you will be seeing right here, and I should be going to the sign in without any problem. So here you should enter your new link to reset your password, etc. Oh, I have entered the wrong link, but anyway, here I am in my accounts. I can go to account settings, and yeah, everything looks good. So leave a like, subscribe guys for this channel, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.